Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. Welcome to today's video. My dear audience, have you ever wondered why you can see through a glass window but not through a wooden door? The answer lies in three special types of materials. These materials are transparent, translucent, and opaque objects. Here you can see three different types of objects. Wood is opaque, second is translucent, and third is transparent. Light helps us to see objects. Different material allow different amounts of light to pass through. Based on this property, materials are classified into three main groups. First are opaque objects, second translucent, and third are transparent material. In this video, we will discuss three types of materials: transparent objects, translucent objects, and opaque objects. In this video, we will discuss the definition of these objects, their properties, and their daily life examples. Let's start with transparent objects. The materials that allow almost all the light to pass through them are called transparent materials. For example, here you can see glasses, water glass, and a water bottle. You can see clearly through them. These are transparent materials. Properties of these materials are you can see clearly through them and they form a clear image when light fall on them. Here you can see a transparent material, and if light is passed on it, the light is fully passed through these materials, so they are transparent material. Examples are clean glass, pure water, air, spectacle lenses. We can see through them and light is totally passed through them, so they are transparent materials. Next category is translucent objects. These materials allow only some light to pass through them and stop the sun, so we cannot see clearly through them. The vision is blur. These materials are called translucent materials. They have properties intermediate between transparent and opaque objects. Here you can see translucent mirror. You can not see clearly through them as some light is passed and some is stopped. The properties of these objects are these appear blur. No clear image is formed when we see through them. Image is not clear because some light is passed and some light is stopped. Here you can see a translucent glass. When light is fall on it, some light is passed and some is stopped. So the vision is blur. Objects are not clearly seen. They are translucent materials. Examples are frosted glass, butter paper, thin curtains, and tracing papers. All are examples of translucent materials. Next one is opaque objects. These materials do not allow any light to pass through them. It means they stop all the light and 100% light is stopped, so we cannot see through them. Here, brick wall, wooden door, books, all these things are opaque objects. Light cannot pass through them and we cannot see through them. Properties of these objects are we cannot see through them and they form a clear dark shadow when light is fall on it. As totally light is stopped, so a clear shadow is formed by these objects. In this picture, you can see many examples of opaque objects. Here, wooden box is placed, and when light is falling on it, light is totally blocked. No light is passed through them, so it is an opaque object. Example are wood, brick wall, books, metal sheets, and many more. Although these things stop the light, so they are opaque objects. So we can say that transparent objects let most light pass through them Translucent object let some light to pass through, while opaque objects block light completely. Understanding these materials help us explain many things we see every day. If we revise the concept, and in this picture you can have a comparison of three materials. First one is transparent, it passes all the light. Second is translucent, it passes some light and stop the other. While the third one, wooden block, is opaque object. It totally blocks the light. It has many important in our daily life. Windows are made up of transparent glasses so we can see through them. Bathroom windows often use translucent glasses. Doors and walls are opaque for privacy and protection. So these objects have very much importance in our daily life. In this picture, you can identify three types of materials: transparent, translucent, and opaque objects. I have fun quiz for you. Is a mirror transparent, translucent, or opaque object? If you know the answer, please type in comment section. Is clear plastic transparent? Why can't we see through the wall? I hope you know the answer of these questions. Please write in comment. I hope you have understood the concept of transparent, translucent, and opaque objects. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz till the next video.